where different speakers from different fields will come and discuss about some topics related to professional career and life. We started it as an internal session first. Many of our alumni showed up for taking these sessions, after which we moved towards external WPS sessions. So our first external WPS sessions ended with the recruitment of Simoi from NIT Durgapur, Ragul from SMST Ramapuram, Shubhangi from BVCOL Pune, and Kiratna from PSNA Engineering College. So, and today we are going to continue our internal WPS session on how to create your own business model canvas, which will be taken by Rohan. So, guys, let's be ready to pitch. Over to you, Rohan.
Hey everyone, is my voice fine?
Yeah, it's breaking, Rohan.
Yeah, I'm going
Uh,
back to video. Give me a moment, facing some network issues. Uh, uh, One sec, guys.
yeah, it's better. You can start with without using your video
Yeah,
as well.
I'll join from my phone. I'll try to join.
Yeah, sure, sure. Uh, so basically, in this session, you guys will get to know about how to create your own business pitch, and Rohan will take you through all of it. So just stay with it, and there is a surprise in the end as well, which you would like.
So, hey everyone, is my voice is fine now?
It's better. We can hear you.
Yeah, cool. So, like everyone be every student at some you like oh share.
Rohan, it's breaking. How about you just turn off your
In
video of your
like
previous? Yeah. There is.
hello.
Yes, Rohan. Rohan, it's breaking. Yeah, he will back. Just a second.
Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Is it fine?
Yeah, it's fine, Rohan.
Yeah, cool. So, yeah. So I was telling about like we all are BTech students, right? So at some point we are like more inclined towards doing entrepreneurship or preparing for our own business model, right? Like making some kind of business. So maybe it's towards tech or non-tech. Okay, that depends what kind of line we want to go with. So like I will tell you like how to create your own pitch deck and how to make your own business canvas. Okay, by the end of this session, you will get a clear idea like what how to begin with your pitch deck and business canvas. Okay, so let's move further. Uh, yeah. So basically, what is a pitch deck? Okay, so pitch deck is a document or a PPT, which you use to present in front of investors, customers, or your potential buyers. Okay, so like talking about what really it is like an overview of your product. Okay, so talking about it's not that technical. We don't need to mention it very technically. We don't need to mention about the technical stacks or other coding over there, but we need to give a business model for that over there, like what our business plan it is, how will it sustain in the market, how innovative it is, how it is solving a particular problem. Okay, so pitch deck is all about that. So let's take an example that you are making a website, okay, and you need to prepare a pitch deck for that. So website, e-commerce website, let's take an example. Okay, so e-commerce website, so you are making a e-commerce website, and for that you need to prepare a pitch deck. Okay, so basically over that you just don't need to mention the tech stack, like you are using a React for backend, you are using Node.js. You don't need to mention these points, but what you need to mention is you are using React for that it become more fast, and what how will it sustain in the market. Okay, these websites are really fast, we are providing backend support and much security. These are the points which you need to mention over there to make your pitch deck much more interactive. So over the pitch deck is the only way through which you can get a potential customers or a buyer or an investor. Okay, when we talk about investor, that's the really important point. Okay, when we are going with joint ventures or something, you need to make a proper pitch deck. Okay, with the cost cutting and how will you grow your company within 5 years. This is what you need to mention in your pitch deck. Okay, so yeah, that let's move further. So yeah, like pitch deck is okay, like you will create a pitch deck. So the main question is how to think of an idea. Think of an idea for a broad market. Okay, so there's certain five points which we need to keep in our mind. Okay, before thinking of
Uh,
an idea. Yeah, yes, Iman.
yeah, your voice started breaking. Okay, continue, continue.
If it break in between, then just tell me. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So yeah, I was talking about how like everyone will able to make their business model, but the thing is how will you make your idea? Okay, how will you first step is to choose an idea? Okay, for a hackathon, ideathon, or a business. Okay, you need to choose a particular idea. Okay, so for choosing an idea, you need to keep certain points in your mind. Okay, for the first one is what's the need? Okay, what's the need of that idea. Okay, it's like how do you validate it. What's the need, like in the society, what's the need, what problem a society is going through, and how can you solve it. Okay, first thing is the major thing. Okay, like that's called about the innovation. Okay, what's the market sizes, whether your idea will sustain in the market or not. Okay, first you need to inquire about the market size. Okay, who whether the you will get enough money to expand your business or not. Okay, yeah, does it make sense? Do the unit economics. So what cost you are putting in and what output you are getting. Okay, does it make sense? Are you making a profitable business or not? Okay, when you are not having a profit, so there's no point of going with the same idea. Okay, and after that innovation. Okay, like there's a problem. Okay, and how innovatively you are solving it. That maybe in market there are certain other products also available over there. Okay, which solving the same problem, but you bring something innovative. Okay, rather than the previous solutions, you bring something innovative. Okay, so that's the major impact, and that's how your idea will sustain in the market. Okay, and last and most important is customer persona. Okay, who all are your potential customers. Okay, who all are your potential customers, because you need to do a bit research about who all are your customer. Okay, and how will you engage them and how will you get to them. Okay, and that's how, like when you are making your pitch deck now, you need to keep in mind about your 100 customers, how you will get your first 100 customers. That's you need to inquire and research about. That's the most important part. Okay, So I hope everyone is clear with how to think of an idea. And after this session, I guess everyone will start working on something, will get some ideas and how to start with. Okay. So yeah, let's move further. So like there's a different approach which we uses for pitching. Okay. Uh, So pitching is not as such ki you will go. There's a particular different approaches which we use it for pitching. Okay, pitching to investors, most probably the investors or to the customers. Okay, so there's one with a very good approach is an ABC approach. Okay, for pitching. I'll tell you what it is. So yeah, move further. So first is need. Okay, these things you should include in your particular pitch. Okay, what's the need in the market of that product? Okay, okay, is there a need or not? First you need to analyze that. Okay, whether there's a need or not. Okay, and if there is a need, you need to make a product for that, and you need to include that need. Okay, you know, need to include about your product but your need. Okay, and after that your approach, how you are solving that particular problem. Okay, how your product or a service is much innovative and people will uh, pay money for that. Okay, and after that, benefits, what benefits of your solution, what value you are giving to the customer. Okay, so that they will put money towards it. And competitions. Okay, like who all are your competitors in the market? For example, like when Amazon was there, Flipkart came. So Flipkart major competition was Amazon. Okay, but it still sustained in the market because the business plan which presented by Flipkart was really great. Okay, and it somehow sustained in the market and it's still there. Okay, similarly, many social media sites uh, like we have WhatsApp. Okay, but Telegram is also there. It also sustained in the market. So these are the things which able to sustain there in the market. Okay, so over that we need to do a research about that. There are many things in the market. Okay, and you can do a similar kind of thing but with some touch of innovations of your own. Okay, that's how your product will be innovative and you are basically solving a particular problem. Okay, so that was, and let's move further. So there's a QR code. Okay, I want everyone to scan it. So that will give you a much insight about how to make your own pitch deck. Okay, how to make your own pitch deck, and there's much information about that. Okay, I want everyone to scan it. Okay. So when you all are done, just write done in the chat box, okay? And right now I'm open to questions, okay? If you have any doubt or anything in the previous thing, just ask, okay? So I won't be telling you each and every aspects of what there's in the pitch deck. You can go to this link, okay, and you will get everything, okay? I was just telling you how to make and how to make it much attractive. An ABC approach you should do, okay? How to think of an idea. These are more much important aspects, okay? Yeah, cool. For those who are not able to scan it, Kunal, can you put the link also?
Yeah, sure.
So, guys, I'm open to questions. Like, if you have any questions to the previous slide, just ask. Okay, you can unmute yourself or write in the chat box also. So, any doubt anyone have?
I guess they're clear. We can move on. They may ask the doubts later on as well.
Yeah, like
Given
if
we
you
will,
have any doubts in between also,
yeah,
you just need to ask me. Okay?
you can ask the doubts
Yeah,
at
you can
point of time.
unmute yourself and ask. Okay, there's no issues with that.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Let's move further, guys. So let's come to the major part of this business model canvas. Okay, So anyone knows how what is a business model canvas is? Anyone like heard it before? You can write in chat box also, like if you have any idea. Uh, okay. So like everyone is in sleeping mode, I guess. No issues. Uh, I'll tell you. So business model canvas basically represent how a company creates a value for itself while delivering a product or a service for customers. Okay. So this is represent your whole business thing, okay? Business called canvas model, okay, covers each and every aspects of your business, okay? So when you are delivering your product, this require like this holds a very this is very much significant over that, okay? And at certain point you need to make it, okay? So let's go. I will give you a glimpse about what needs to be added or what needs not to be added in your business model. Okay, come, let's see. So first is customer segments. Okay, there are different aspects. See, like you can see there's a different thinky activities and everything. So I'll telling you in order. Okay, first is customer segments. Okay, so customer segment is like who all are your potential buyers. Okay, like who all are your customer in the market, okay, whether it's government, whether it's a tech company or something, okay. So supposingly I'll tell you let's take example of flip Amazon, okay. Who all are their customer potential customers, okay, the sellers and the buyers, okay. Sellers registers over their product over there and buyers buys that. So one of the example is like that, okay. So if you are making some website, okay, and so who will be your buyers, like it can be like startups who didn't have a website, okay, a seller who have a shop or something, you can make a website for that. So these customer segments are really important, okay. You need to find out who all are your customer potential customer buyers in the market, okay. If you don't have a buyer, so you can't have your product sustain in the market, okay. So this holds a very much significant, okay. Okay, let's see the next thing is value proposition, okay. As the name suggests, value proposition, what value you are giving to your customers, okay. What the value is, okay. So supposingly one of the value could be you are giving a website to them, okay. You are making a website, you are doing social media marketing, or you are making a product, okay. So that's what, okay, that's one of the thing, what value you are giving the customer and what they are paying for, okay. Supposingly you are making a product, okay, suppose you are making a efficient heater, okay. So heater is a product which you are giving to the customers, okay. So what value, heater is the value which they are getting, okay, and they are paying for. So you need to, yeah, you need to find out what value you are giving to the customer, and it is really like customer really want that. So these kind of things which you need to keep in your mind, okay. So yeah, let's move. So channels, okay, channels. So channels is a bridge between value proposition and customer segment, okay. Just clearly listen that, okay. And if you want, you can also note down these points, okay. That will really help you at certain point, okay. So channels channels is like a bridge between value proposition and a customer segment, okay. Value, what value you are giving and how it is going to reach your customers, okay. This is more important, okay. You have a value, you are giving a service or something, but how will going to reach your customer, okay. You are sitting in Chennai, okay, but your buyers are in Gujarat, okay, but how will you going to reach that? So channels are that, okay. Channel can be a physical, okay, you have a truck and it is going towards them, okay. Earlier what it was like different industries have their salesperson, okay. They go to shop or a customer to customer home and sell their product. But like we this is a tech era, okay. Over that, if technology have took over everything, okay. So we have social media platforms, so okay, over that you can publicize your product, Instagram, Facebook, you have a business page and websites. Through these are the channels which you can use to take your value towards the customer, okay. This is very important. Okay, you need to analyze that also. Okay, it's not like you make a product and you put it in the market. That's not your thing will work. Okay, you need to take care of each and every aspects of this business model canvas. Okay, and very clearly. So yeah, move further. Okay, so customer relationship. So it is very, very important. Okay, it's about like how does I get my customer? Okay, how should I keep them and how should I increase my number of my customers? Okay, this is very important. How should I keep them and how should I increase? Okay, at certain point you will get your customer. Okay, but how should I keep them and like how should I increase the customer? Okay, is by proper feedback. Okay, supposingly you made a manageable app. Okay, something fitness app. Okay, fitness app. Over that they count your calories and walk. Okay, but the thing is it is not that accurate. Okay, so customers will use it. Okay, use for 2 to 3 days or 1 week. Okay, after that they will leave it because your app is not accurate. Okay, at certain point your business was going high for 1 week and suddenly it decreases. Okay, the problem is you didn't take a proper feedback from the customer where your app was lagging. Okay, so this is a very important customer relationship. You need to take a proper feedback. You can it can be through anything. Yeah, you can put a page for a feedback or you can take feedback from Instagram. And the thing is customer relationship can be maintained by continuous innovations also. Okay, like you have a app. Okay, you are continuously innovative it so that the customer will be engaged by that. Okay, you can engage them with social media platforms also. It's up to you how you are going to engage them so that you don't lose your customers. Okay, and focus on increasing them. Okay, so yeah, let's move ahead. Revenue streams. Okay, so as the name suggests, revenue stream, what is the source of your revenue? Okay, what is the source of your revenue? Okay, and uh, what the customer is basically paying for. Okay, you need to be very specific. Okay, whether you are giving a service. Okay, or it is a sale of a direct product. Okay, or it is your what you are giving is a subscription based product. Okay, so or it is a license base. Okay, so let me give you a example is like many of you have seen septic tanks or manholes. Okay, so government is giving. Okay, so let's think that I started a company, ABC company. Okay, and over that I made a vacuum system which is much more effective. Okay, and over that I give a service, subscription based service. Okay, I'll go to home to home. Okay, I'll ask home to buy my subscription. Okay, buy my subscription for 6 months, and I will go to home every week or every month. Okay, to clean their manholes or their septic tanks. Okay, so the customer is paying for that particular service which is I'm providing, that I will go to their home and clean that. Okay, this is how I'm earning. Okay, I'm not selling my own vacuum to every household because they won't be using it, but the thing is I am using it and I am going to home and clean their manholes and septic tanks. Okay, this is this is one of the thing which how you're going to earn. Okay, this is your revenue streams. Okay, this is very important. Okay, you need to find out how you're going to earn. When you make a app, okay, you can't directly sell it to people. Okay, you will publish it in play stores, and over that how you will get your revenue stream. Okay, one way is through like mm, uh, marketing. Okay, like through ads, through you can run ads, or that's one way which you can earn basically money. Okay, suppose like how Facebook earns. Okay, Facebook doesn't ask you money for registering, it earns through ads. Okay, and this is how like when you publish a app. Okay, one of the way which you will earn is through ads. Other than that, how will you earn? Okay, over that you can add some premium features over there for which customers should pay. Okay, and this is one of your revenue streams is. Okay, so basically over that you need to clear with your points that what you are giving to the customer, what customer is paying for. Okay, whether it's a subscription based or you are directly selling your product. Okay, okay, so let's move further. key activities. Okay, so key activities is like what basically need your what is basically needed to keep your product alive. Okay, so you publish a product in the market, product or service. Okay, at certain point it will die in the market. Okay, because there's like for everything something is there in the market only. Okay, and you publish a product or a service. Okay, so but it's not able to sustain. Okay, the reason is you didn't research about the key activities. Okay, supposingly I have a fitness app. As I told, I have a fitness app. So what will be the key activities for that is like key activities will be campaigning, social media campaigning for that. Like I will have run ads for social media ads for that. Okay, I'll advertise more and more on social media platform or television or YouTube and stuff like that. Other than that is innovation. Okay, without innovation nothing would be there. You need, like, it's not about that you make something and you leave it. Okay, you need to constantly upgrade that. Okay, upgrade it to the what customer actually needed. Okay, you need to constantly upgrade it and make it. You can't make it perfect. Okay, but you need to upgrade and put more innovations with that, so that the customer will also like that you are putting many features after its launch, so customer will get engaged and they will like it. So these are the key activities. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So talking about key resources, okay, so this is like pretty clear what resources you need to make your business model work. Okay, it could be like capital, physical machines, plants or people for delivering manpower or something like that. Okay, what kind of stuffs you are required. Okay, when you are making, suppose like you are making a website. Okay, so you have a company over that you are making websites, and the thing what you are needed is coders. Okay, like you needed a React developer, you needed Node.js developer. So these are the stuffs which you are needed. Okay, this comes under key resources. Okay, what you are actually needed to make your business work. Okay, so yeah, let's move further. Yeah, this is more important is key partners. Okay, who will be your partners in that? Okay, like uh, who will be your partners and who will be your suppliers. Okay, so I'll give you an example. Suppose you are making a website. Okay, so for that your key partners will be like uh, some company which give you free hosting service. Okay, some hosting service. Other than that, a company which can give you a backend support. These can be your key partners. Okay, supposingly you are making a electric car. Okay, you are making a car. Okay, this is your business, you make electric car. Okay, for that you can have your key partners as Tata. Okay, that can provide you steel or the body part, some engines, some German company for engines and something like that. Okay, these can be your key partners who will supply you as a product and help your company to grow. Okay, let's move further. uh, Finally, the cost structure. Okay, the cost structure is really really important to tell the investor what you really want. Okay, and cost structure is cover everything. Okay, it's not about your product only. Okay, when you are making an electric car, supposing it like 2 lakhs rupees. Okay, that's not it. Okay, you not should mention only 2 lakhs rupees, but the thing is after making your car. Okay, you need some money for publicity also. Okay, publicizing, going to different places, running social media campaigns. For that also it require money. So over that everything is like cover under the cost structure. Okay, and it's really important to mention and give a approx cost. Okay, you shouldn't give false figure. Okay, that's really important. If you don't know anything in the business model canvas, don't write, but you shouldn't give any false information. Okay, that's the major part. Okay, which we should keep in mind. Okay, so I think I cover every aspects of business model canvas. Right now I'm open to your questions. So I want everyone to ask something. Okay, I want everyone to ask a little thing.
Okay, Rohan, can you tell me what is the difference between value proposition and revenue streams? They both seem very
Yeah,
similar to me.
yes, Priya. Like value proposition is what you are giving to a customer. So when we talk about electric car, okay, so electric car, you are giving electric car to them. Okay, so and what value? One of the value can be like it is eco-friendly or something. You are giving. electric car to a customer. Okay, and talking about revenue stream, how you are giving that electric car. Okay, are you directly selling those car, okay, to the customer, or whether you are giving subscription based. Okay, subscription based in the sense, you are giving that car for 1 month and charging some money for that. Okay, or you are selling that car for a license. Okay, you can sell those car with a license and some restriction to a people. So revenue streams is the way, the revenue stream is the way which you are earning, and value is like what value you are giving to customers.
Okay.
So others, like, would you like to ask something? Guys, you can write in the chat box also.
Okay, if there is no questions, maybe I have a question for everyone here. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes.
Bhaiya, you are audible.
Awesome. So, how many of us here, I mean, think that you may be starting up a business in the future? May not be immediately after the college, but it could be.
Me, bhaiya.
Okay. So, okay, awesome. Kunal, okay, great. Uh, okay, Shubhangi, great. Himanshu, awesome. Mithilesh, okay, great. Harsh, okay. Okay, awesome. So the others, you either, I mean, you are yet to understand if you will be going with the business or it will be like, I mean, you might come to a point wherein you will take up a decision. So that's really good that you people are, I mean, coming, I mean, taking a moment to join this and then think like what it is and how things are going on. Yeah, great. Appreciate your hands, guys. Thank you. So yeah, Rohan, you can continue.
So that was it, and I hope like everyone get an idea how to make your business model canvas. Okay, it is one of the major aspects. Like as I see, like many of you are interested towards starting your own business or entrepreneurship. So at certain point, you need to create your business model canvas, and it's holds a very much importance in the industry also when you are going to a venture capital or a potential investor. Okay, so you need to show them your business model canvas, and over that they will think like whether your business will sustain in the market or not. Okay, so that was it, and I'll give you certain points. Okay, I'm not ending it right now. I supposed to like I thought of ending it right now, but I will give you certain points. Okay, so when you are pitching, okay, I'll give you certain points when you are pitching. So just make sure to pitch in front of your potential customers. Okay, like if you are having a like if you having a business of electric cars, so just go to buyer or a customers who are much interested in the electronics part. Okay, rather than if you go to a food tech company, okay, and pitch over there, so that doesn't make a sense. Okay, so first thing for pitching is like you should know your audience. Okay, use a good hook. Okay, in the starting to grab their attention in the starting, that's more important to use a good hook. Okay, and like you should be a storyteller. Okay, you should start with your pitching with some story so that you grab attention, and how you relate your story to a product, that's the most important thing. Okay, and you need to show them some figures. Okay, when you're pitching, okay, you need to show them figures that, oh, like over 1 year a company will going to make 1 crores or like 2 crores or something like that. You need to go show them, like you can also show them that over India we have 1,000 customer potential buyers. Like we are referring to steel industries, and over India we have 100 steel industries and they can be our potential. So you need to show them some figures. Okay, that's really hold some value. Okay, showing figures and some credits, this is more important. Okay, most importantly, leave them eager for more. Okay, you should make questions for your own self and leave them. Okay, leave them at certain point that you think that they will ask me question based on that and you are prepared for that, okay? It's like you leave them eager and they will ask, okay? You should make your pitch like that, okay? Like the buyers or the investors should be eager to know more, okay? You need to make your pitch like that, okay? These are the major aspects which you should take care of, okay? So, and most importantly, over you are making your pitch deck or a business model canvas, never lie, okay? Never, never, never lie, okay, about a certain thing, okay? If you are not sure, don't write it or don't mention it over there. But uh, but you shouldn't lie, okay? You shouldn't put false information or false number, okay? I know it's take time to do a better research and about things, okay? But you shouldn't lie, okay? Yeah, that was it. And yeah, I should wrap up with the business model canvas. And I told you we have something special for you all, okay? For whole team, okay? There's something special for whole team. If you like to ask something, okay, you can ask, or we should go ahead.
I have one question, like a
Yeah.
blueprint is a part of this Canva model or not?
Can you repeat?
Blueprint is a
Yeah, I
part
will
of
give
Canva
you.
model. Okay,
No,
sure.
no, you want that? Like, I will give you the whole resources for that. Okay, don't worry about that. I give you a link over that. Okay, that was a whole pitch deck. Okay, even if you go to that link, many pitch deck is over there. Okay, and what is needed over there also. Okay, I will send you a whole Canva model and a pitch deck in the group. Okay, so that you can write on your own. Okay, yeah. So I guess others don't have a doubt. So let's move to the fun part, and I hope you all like it. Okay, let's go. Let's move, Himanshu.
Yeah, sure. Let's go. So, guys, can we skip to the good part, right? The surprise I was telling about. So, this is the event we are going to organize related to today's session. It is named EvolveX. So, what you have to do is it is a 12-hour ideathon based on business perspective. The wholly based on today's session, you have to what you have to do think of a product the way Rohan told what are the aspects of the of a product and an idea. So you have to think of a product, make a business plan, prepare a pitch deck with this business plan, and then submit it before 10 a.m. 10:30 a.m. tomorrow. You will be getting 12 hours to do this, and what we will do after that is we will select top five of the presentations, and they will be presenting it in front of our judges tomorrow 5 at 5:30 p.m. And the winners will be rewarded, and the rewards will be exciting. So this is a internal event. Okay, I hope you guys are excited about this event. We You will get to know your teams as well. On the Notion page, you will be getting. You guys have been distributed into three people in the group of three for teams, and you can come up with your own idea on product or service, and prepare a pitch deck and make a presentation and submit it. And after that, you, before on at 5:30 p.m. You will get to know who are the top five who submissions, and they will be presenting those submissions in front of the judges. They will be from our alumni only. Okay, and
Yeah, I would like to carry on. Just go
sure,
and what it is. Okay, so
sure, sure.
everyone is here. Okay, so like might be this is a Christmas time, and some of you are thinking that 12 hours is really less for an ideathon. Okay, on a business perspective. So I'll get you a glimpse. Okay, over here we are not asking you to code. Okay, we're not asking you the full coding of a website or a coding of a product or a full design of that. Okay, we are asking for you an idea. Okay, just an idea and a business plan for that. Okay, I hope you got to the link of pitch deck. Okay, over that there are many aspects. Okay, so the thing is you can mention everything over there, and if you are not certain of that, don't put it. Okay, if you are not sure about the cost structures which you are needed, okay, don't put it. What revenue you are going to earn, don't put it over there. Okay, there's no issues with that, but we are asking for your an idea and your business plan. Okay, business plan, business model canvas, and a pitch deck. Okay, this is more important. Okay, This is like will give you a clear idea. This competition, like this event, will you give a clear idea about how to prepare a pitch deck and a business model canvas, okay, and what research you need to do. Okay, that will really help you in future. Okay, so even in ideathon or a hackathon, when you go, they even ask you for some business plan also. Okay, they ask you for codes also, but for business plan. But over here, we are asking for your idea. Okay, your idea shouldn't be like a very big thing that I will make a electric car. Okay, I will make a. It's up to you. Okay, you can think of anything. Okay, I will make a laptop. Okay, I will make a laptop or hand size or something like that. It's up to you. Okay, what you really want. Okay, just you need to analyze the need. Okay, just see around you. Like just go outside and see what's the need is. Okay, what the society is lacking. Okay, and how can I improve it. Okay, so it's not about that you made a machine. Okay, you made some website, you make some app. Okay, it's you can make a art and craft also. Okay, you can see poly bags are still used, so you can make some bags. Okay, innovative bags with paper plus matlab, with some material. Okay, with handbags or some like with paper or something that's already there in the market, but you can some add some designs over there. You can make art and idea with art and craft or some other things. Okay, okay, they won't be judging on the basis of like what technology which we use. Will be judging you on the basis of your business plan. Okay, business plan, how your product will sustain in the market. Okay, so you can free to choose. Like earlier I thought to give you some theme. Okay, like theme like IoT or some other machinery or something. Okay, but I thought like why to limit you. Okay, so I gave you like we gave you an open hand to choose anything. Okay, choose any idea. Okay, you are free to choose any idea and make a proper business plan for that. And it over that you will learn a lot. Okay, and if you need any help, we all are there. Okay, to help you. Okay, so that was it. And
Yeah, so you guys are having any queries, you can just ask, or
qu- queries
even
about your,
after this, you
yeah,
can ask
queries
about
about the
event.
about the event or before that also you can ask. Okay, guys, just speak up. Okay, you can write in the chat box also. So I'll wait for 5 minutes for you all.
Yeah.
Yeah, while they think up the question, maybe can you guys, I mean, provide the timeline once again, like when to do what?
Yes, Priya. So we'll be sharing the team details by after this event in the group with the whole Notion page about everything. Okay, over that, and you need to make a pitch deck with a business model canvas and need to submit it before tomorrow 11:30 a.m. Sunday. And after that, top five teams will be selected. Okay, top five team will be selected and they need to present their pitches in front of a panel of judges. Okay, at 5:30 p.m. Okay, in the evening. That's a very good opportunity for you all. Okay, and you we have a very exciting rewards for you all. Okay, so just this is an opportunity. Okay, guys, so I want you all to grab it and don't let it go. Okay. Guys, anyone has any queries? Acha, I guess Shubhangi has some queries, right? Like she raised her hand or anyone
Yeah,
else?
I think it's from back then, but when we
Okay,
asked.
okay, okay, no issue.
So you
So
guys can
any,
also write in the chat box.
okay, yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
what will be the criteria for judging?
So criteria is like what's your idea, what's innovation over there, and how your business plan it is. Okay, how you're made your plan. Okay, we are not like judging on the basis of technology or the code, what errors you have done. The judging will be based on your idea, what's the innovation, and what your business plan is. That will be that. Yeah, it is more focused towards the business perspective.
Okay, and where are we going to submit it?
We'll be sending out a Google form by this evening, and you need to submit it over there.
By 11:30 tomorrow, right?
Yeah, Yeah, before 11:30. Before, like, that's the deadline. You can
Okay.
submit it before also.
All right. So tomorrow morning, I mean, before 11:30, people would submit things, and it will be evaluated. And then by evening 5 or 5:30, like, I mean, we'll ensure
We'll
that
ha
I mean, the top ones are announced, and I mean, they'll have to be available at 5 or 5:30 for the presentation to the judges. Is that right?
Yes, Priya.
Okay.
So if you don't have queries, you can let's move to the further part. Himanshu? Yeah. So I want everyone you to share your feedback. We just scan it and share your feedback. Himanshu, till then you can put the link in the group also for this.
Yeah, yeah, I will.
Is there any standard deck which we have to use, or we can use any template?
Bhaiya, you can use any template. It's up to you. You can use any template.
Okay.
Yeah, and then
But
one more thing to add there is, I mean, don't really spend a lot of time to come up with the unique idea, right? I mean, just try to come up with some good idea which you feel comfortable to speak. And since this is more about, I mean, how to do the pitch, like we would, I mean, give more weightage to like how you present it to us, right? So, I mean, you don't have to really worry about the idea being the best or not. Just feel free about the idea part. I mean, obviously, the idea will also be necessary to evaluate, but I mean, what you innovate in your idea, I mean, will be important. So it could be a random idea, it could be a service or a product. That's up to you. I mean, you don't need to consider that to be a major, I mean, setback when you present.
One more doubt. The submission has to be a PPT or a PDF, something like that, or it has to include some video or something like that as
No,
well.
no, no. It's totally up to you, people, guys. That's a good question, Hardik. So basically, like, I mean, it is your company or it's your future business which you're going to pitch it here. So, however you want to impress the judges and get the investment or get the right track, I mean, going on, like, you can feel free to do it. There is no limitations on that. Just that you will be having like 5 to 7 minutes maximum for you to express your, I mean, complete deck. Is that right, Rohan? Or is there anything else that is
uh,
planned?
yes, Priya, like 5 minutes will be given to the top five teams to
Mm,
present, and after that, five
yeah.
minutes will be the questioning round for the judges. Like, judges will ask some questions.
Okay. Sure. Yeah. So 5 to maximum 7 minutes. You cannot go beyond that.
And like after the meet, we'll share a template for the pitch deck also. It's not necessary for everyone to use that. It will give a glimpse about what's the pitch deck and how you need to create it. Okay. And what Thina Bhaiya said, you can free to use anything. Okay, any template. And even if you want to submit in a video form, you are most welcome to do that. Okay. So I hope everyone share the feedback. I guess. Can we have yes in the chat box, like who all done that? After submitting our feedback, just type yes in the chat box. Okay, guys.
In the feedback form, about the host has a option. I mean, it is just one option and it says option one. Is it something that I don't understand?
Uh, Give me a second, please. I need to check. Yeah, cleared. Yeah. I just put it by mistake over there. So I get four responses till now. What about others? So before everyone leaving, so I get a question that how to get your business idea to the public so that many more ideas and suggestion can be taken account into. Okay. So for that, first of all, I won't tell who said it. Okay. So first of all, you need to find out the potential buyers. Okay, in the particular market, who will buy your product. Okay, and why will he buy that product. Okay, answer yourself. Okay, like whether you will be in the customer in form of customer, will you able to buy that product or not. Okay, first analyze that who will your customers. Okay, go to that customer and try to sell it. Okay, like over that he will use it and tell you the valuable feedback where you need to improve it. Okay, before publishing anything you need a feedback from everyone. Okay, go to customer and try to get more and more feedback. Okay, that's how you will grow. Okay, that's how you will grow and make your product much more innovative. Okay, uh, this is how only your product or service will sustain in the market. Okay, so making it to public. Okay, you can use social media platforms. Okay, and you can directly go to industry or to customer to sell it. Okay, to but you need to have your 100 customers first. Okay, you need to focus on your 100 customer, and after that you can move ahead. Okay, that's what you need to really do. So if you don't have any doubt, okay, you can feel free to drop off, guys, okay, and we'll be sharing each and every details about the event in the group only, okay. Merry Christmas, everyone, and thank you for joining.
Yeah, guys, happy holidays and all the best.
All the best for the event.
Yeah, for the
All the
event.
best, guys.
How many of you are going to join the event?
I guess everyone, yeah.
The teams
Okay,
have been made actually.
that's
They need to do it.
cool. Okay. Yeah, great, awesome.
Okay, bye, guys.
Thank you for joining,
Bye.
guys. See you then. Shvangi has something to say. She's
Uh,
gone.
All right, I'll stop the recording.